Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Chip from Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Got an interesting offering today for somebody that might be looking for actual car parts to your car, or just would like to have some automobilia memorabilia to look at. These are some early 1900 Ford headlights. The bulbs have been removed, but all the casting and the rings are there. When I come around here, I'll zoom up on the Ford etching. Here is one, and when you go over to the other, it is here. So if this would fit on your buggy, God bless you. Otherwise, if you'd like just some cool artwork around the house, something people would love to pick up and look at, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.